have another game for you guys. Alright, so the kisses that the newlyweds will do, you would have to do too. Alright? We will have 2 kisses. Alright? So Miss Anna, Janelle, let's have your first kiss na gagayahin po nila. Sige, tayo po tayo. Ayan. Alright, your first kiss, it can be on the cheek, it can be on the hand. Alright, very sweet on the cheek. Alright? You guys will have to do that too. Alright? Okay, very nice. Alright, our second kiss is where? Ay, hindi ko nakita, sorry. Alright, on the nose. Oh, sige, yung last kiss, saan po tayo? Of course, on the lips. Alright, guys? Oh, I love it. Let's give them all a warm round of applause. Thank you so much for being such great sports.
Daya.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for participating in our games. We have heard the messages of the special people in the lives of the couple, and we have also played games with their friends. But of course, the celebration would not be complete without hearing from the newlyweds. So, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in applauding Janelle and Vienna. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Una po sa lahat, thank you po sa parents po namin ni Jonel, sa Bayoran family, sa Reyes, sa Oclaret, sa Pamilya Brutal, nandun sila. sa lahat-lahat po, sa mga kaibigan po namin, sa Ninong at Ninang, sa UEP friends, Atkinson friends, basta sa lahat-lahat po, baka hindi matapos yung gabing to pag isa-isa. Maraming pong salamat. Yun lang po.
Baka masira ito yung microphone. Sir naman. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have actually come to the end of our program. On behalf of the newlyweds, Janelle and Vienna, and of course their parents, has been Andrea Pinley, your host for this evening, saying thank you for being with us tonight. So do stay on, have your photo taking at the photo booth, and enjoy the rest of the night. Good evening.